Hello guys, today I am waiting for the train to pass this location and I am going to take a video for 2 minutes and let's see how many train will pass from this location. And it looks so scary when watching the Sydney train tracks. Look, 1 2 3 4 5, and there is green lights, some green lights and some red lights. I think one train has arrived. Is it too slow? I'll see from here. Let's have a look. It's direct. Yeah. And it's 55 seconds and one train. Let's see for another train. It's 1 minute and 10 seconds. No another trains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 track and only one trains. Sydney trains, you are disappointing me. Yeah, I can hear the sound. Yes, this is another one. Another one. Look how scary it is. Oh, bye. It goes to Richmond. Yes. And it's 1 minute and 40 seconds and only two trains. Let's see. We can find another or not. It's almost 1 minute and 55 seconds. And I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you. 2 minutes, 2 train.